Annabelle, take a sip of that. Is it yum? Take a sip. Let's show Daddy what you do when you take a sip of Mommy's Izzy. You're cute. I like your ice scraper. Annabelle, can you say hi, Dada?
No, that's not what I like your ice scraper.
Do you need some help?
Like, go away, ice scraper. Go away, ice scraper, guys. I don't like you.
Well, you gotta bring me the drink, too. Oh, here, bring me the straw. Okay, get me the drink.
Since you don't like your ice scraper, guys.
Oh, goodness. Our camera, Daddy, has dots all over it. Sorry. We have to get this fixed.
I don't like your ice scraper,
Say bye-bye.